Hello and welcome to our guide through the new software solution of Dustlight. I'm Katlin Nagy and I'm going to explore together with you the new features in our mobile app. The first new thing that you're going to witness once you open your downloaded or updated mobile app is a message requiring you to allow Dustlight to find Bluetooth devices. This is really important, so we're going to allow this. Once I allowed the Bluetooth connection, I get a message about the compliance. There I can read through the general terms and conditions and the data protection. Once I read through all that, I'm going to accept it. Now I get a complete slide through the new features of our Dustlight app. As I'm going to guide you through them, I'm going to skip this part. And now you are in the login window of the mobile app. Here you can log into your already existing account or create a new account. As we don't have an account yet, we are going to create a new one. This is completely free and necessary in order to use your Dustlight. Clicking on creating a new account, and then I'm going to input all the important information, such as my first name, which is Katalin, my last name, which is Nagy, the email address I want to use, and the password I want to set. Once that is done, I need to tick the box that I agree to the terms of conditions and privacy policy. And I'm also going to tick to the box that I agree to receive newsletters and updates, as at Dustlight we are a fast-growing, innovative company, and there are always new features that are going to get launched in the future. And now I can create my account. Now an email has been sent to my email address where I can verify my email address. So I got the message, follow this link to verify your email address, and I'm going to follow that link. Within a couple of instants, I got a message that my email address has been verified, and now I can sign in with my new account. And there I am, signed in into my account. In this window, I can already see that my name, the fact that I'm a user, going to go back to that, my email account that I link to it, and the plan that I'm using, which is the basic plan. I can also see a lot of different information, such as the fact that I can change my password, that I can change the language of my account, which I'm going to keep to English, how I can reach Dustlight via support, the terms and conditions, privacy policy, terms of use, and also a button to delete my account. What is, however, more important is the button Upgrade Plan. We'll get back to that. However, first we're going to go to the Connect window, where I can scan for available Dustlights. There I see the Dustlight that I'm using and am connecting to it. I get a message that a firmware update is available. As today in this demonstration, I'm going to skip that. You should still keep in mind that you should always update your Dustlight in order to be up to date with the newest software features. Now all the information is getting loaded into my mobile app. So what is really important is the syncing bar on the top, where the last 75 days are slowly but surely getting synced to our phone. That way you can later on access your synchronized measurement data even without an active connection to your Dustlight. This dashboard view should already be familiar to you. If not, this is a dashboard where you see the measured dust level, what kind of dust material specification you're using, and the different PM levels. From here, you could access the history, you could access the device settings, and so on. Well, we are going back to upgrade our plan because we want to check out the business features. So by clicking upgrade plan, I can either contact the Dustlight sales team in order to access business licenses, or I can redeem an invitation token. I receive an invitation token either by directly purchasing from Dustlight or by being in a company having licenses for that plan. I already have an invitation token, so I'm going to enter my invitation token being D98 721 2C, and I'm joining my company. Now I get the message that I've successfully joined the organization Latei GmbH. Now I get a welcome message and I get started with my new features. Now, what has changed is the fact that not only my name is displayed, but also the company that I am linked to, being Latei GmbH. Clicking on Latei GmbH, I get the organization ID, which is really important for us at Dustlight in order to link your devices and users to your company, and the name of the organization. Here, I see that I changed from basic to the business plan. What is different there? If I go back to connect and I disconnect and reconnect to my Dustlight, skipping my firmware updates, I, in the history, can not only download raw data, but now can download PDF reports. In the history dashboard, I can select different dates. Let's say the 18th of December. This I can also do, of course, in the basic plan. However, having the PDF report to it is only accessible via the business plan. What is also different, that now I can switch to measurements. And what I see is a little cloud sign. The cloud sign symbolizes the fact that the measurement data is not stored locally, but is stored in the cloud. So you can not only access your measurement data from your phone, but you can also access it from your web browser or any other device that you are using the Dustlight app. Another interesting feature is that is linked to the user tag next to my name. I can quickly change that to being an admin. I changed to being an admin, and therefore I get two more features in the settings window, being user management and device management. In the user management, I can access information about all the people that are linked to my organization. Here I see 3 other colleagues of mine, which I could change from admin to being user. I could remove, I'm not going to do that now, or I could add another colleague of mine by invite new user. I'm entering a colleague of mine. And now I get an invitation code. This invitation code is similar to the one that I used to access the business features previously. Now, this is not an immediate email that's been sent to my colleague. I need to do it myself by copying it or sharing the code. Once I shared the code, I can check whether my colleague has accepted my sharing by checking the status. This is currently on pending, and if that status is not going to get changed, I can also easily decide that I'm just going to redeem my invitation. I'm just going to delete my invitation. The other feature is the device management. The device management gives you mainly an overview of all the Dustlights which are linked to your organization. My organization has 15 licenses, so 15 Dustlights can be linked to my organization. Currently, 2 are in use. One being the one that I am currently using to show you the new features, and the other one being one of my colleagues. As soon as I delete one of the licenses, one license is going to free up again. And as I deleted already my licenses, I may as well delete my account and log out, because now we've reached the end of our little exploration. And I say thank you for your attention, and I hope you'll find pleasure in checking out all the new features available in our mobile and web app. Goodbye.